Hello people, today I wanted to show you video tutorial how you can use iPhone 6s without iTunes, because there is application which will allow you to do that, but you will have to do couple steps and I will show you. Wait a minute. We got Cynthia's mobile manager and I will show you what you need to have to use this application, because you don't necessarily need icons in order for this application to work, but you will need a third-party library. I wanted to show you how you can use how you can copy. But first, uh, I'm looking for one of the albums. For example, I will delete one to show you how this application works. Then I will show you what uh, steps you have to do, because you don't need uh, icons. If you don't believe me, I will show you where I haven't got icons installed. Icons isn't great when you copy files, because sometimes you cannot do manually when you try to copy files. I had issues that icons required older library. Um, for example, when I wanted to use new files, it blocked and it erased all of my old files. But this application is much better. But I will show you what you have to install in order to use this. I got icons, catalog. You need application, Apple mobile device support. This you need to install this file, but you have to extract files from iTunes 64 folder using 7-zip. You need Apple mobile device support in installer. This is the most important, but I don't want to install because I did already that. And you need to unpack two files, that file, because that will allow your Windows to detect iPhone. You do like that and you install. But first you need to install this. Make sure that you open up iTunes by 7-zip, because this file is located uh, on the at the end of the catalog. Did I sort? Did I check this properly? I think I was actually wrong. I have to check this file. I can't remember where this specific file was. You need to unpack that file, two free files, because 7-zip can open up this, but you still need to extract those two files, and you have to install manually this file. You install this first, then you install this. And so you will be able to use your iPhone using Cynthia's mobile manager, because that file is better. I will tell you why, because you can also go to application. because we got portable format documents. I didn't show you how to copy because you can copy from your pages or from different application. For example, we got a folder, but I moved the folder to this application because normally it would not be visible. Okay, we select this file, we select our path, okay, then we export. We got export, we have exported our portable format document. Okay, I will have to check something very important, very important. Now, if you have this message, you will have to import, you will have to add. Only that way you can do. I showed you because I consider it to be quite important. I hope you like my video tutorial. You can also back up your contact, but I don't want to show you right now because you can do because it will take some time. Okay, I can show you, but it may take some time because this application can back up your contacts. Uh, I do not want to wait. I can pause my video until this will sync. Okay, people, I don't want to show you this right now because this is taking too long. But if you have a faster port, because I connected to port USB 2.0. If you have USB 3.0 or 3.1, this will take less time. But maybe I will show you in video part number 2 because this is updated video. I hope you will like my next video because I do not want to waste my time waiting after this synchronizes. Takes too much time. I have to connect to faster port.